Hello and welcome to Life Mastery TV. Today we're going to dive into one of the most powerful forces in the world. Love. That's right, I'm talking about love. Love has been a source of inspiration for poets, musicians, and artists for centuries. It has been the central theme for religion, spiritual gurus, and prophets since ancient times. But did you know that love also has a powerful impact on our mental and physical well-being? Hi, I'm Alicia Marie Belshak, a certified life coach, professional writer, and science geek, and your host and guide here in today's journey into love. Is it really true that love can change your life and quite possibly even the whole world? Research has shown that having love in your life can lower stress levels, improve sleep quality, boost your immune system. It's no wonder that people who have strong, supportive relationships also report higher levels of happiness and satisfaction with life. But what is love exactly, and the power of it? Simply put, love is the connection and affection we feel towards someone. Love can come in many forms. Romantic love, familial love, love for friends, love for our pets. Love can bring us a sense of comfort and security. And it can also inspire us to be our very best selves. When we love someone, we want to make them happy and support them in their dreams and goals. So, how can we cultivate more love in our lives? It starts with being open and receptive to love. Whether it's through forming new relationships or strengthening existing ones, you have to be willing to receive and willing to give love. Secondly, we must also be kind and compassionate to those around us. Kindness is contagious. Kindness has the power to transform our relationships and bring more love into our lives. In one famous experiment, someone with a briefcase on a busy street had it spill open, and papers flew everywhere. When another, quote, random researcher stopped to help, strangers who were nearby were more likely to also stop and help. Amazing. But even more amazingly, people down the block who only witnessed the accident and the acts of kindness by the helpers, they too were 10 times more likely to then turn around and perform a random act of kindness themselves later on that day. So, spreading a little love in the form of a kind word, a helping hand, or even a small smile to a stranger really can literally multiply the effects like a ripple in the pond from a single pebble. So be the kind one. An easy way to spread more love right now is to give this video a thumbs up so more people can see this important message too. Making these videos is my labor of love for you. And of course, it's good to show me a little love in the process. So thank you. That brings us to the third idea to cultivate more love in life. We must practice gratitude and appreciate the love we have in our lives. When we focus on the good things in our relationships and express gratitude for them, we can actually bring more positivity and love into our lives. Gratitude puts us in harmony with the, quote, mind of God, or the universe, if you prefer. It is the frequency that is the most aligned with abundance, and who wouldn't love more love? So let us be thankful for all the ways, large and small, that love shows up in our life. So there you have it, my fellow life masters and dream builders. The power of love is truly remarkable, and it has the ability to positively impact every aspect of our lives. Love has the power to transform our daily actions and blossom in multiple ways to brighten other people's days. Love is perhaps the most powerful gift we can give the world, for ourselves and all those around us. So wherever you are and wherever you go, remember to spread love and kindness. Let me know in the comments what you love and appreciate. And until next time, I'm Alicia Marie Belshak, sending you all my love and gratitude too. And here is what the almighty algorithm thinks you would love to see next from Life Mastery to TV. Be sure to subscribe and join the tribe.